In today's video, we are going to show you how to verify your email address on chess.com. This is important if you want full access to features, notifications, and account security. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. And if this is your first time on chess.com and your account is newly created, you should be able to receive a notification email from chess.com. Right here, if you hover and scroll down to the bottom left corner. You see that? I have one message right here. Now, why is this important? Because this welcome message from chess.com is a good indicator that you have already fully verified your account. Now, I want you to go to your email address that is linked to chess.com. You might want to go to the spam folder if you can't find a verification email from chess.com. And as you can see, I have one. And all I have to do is super simple. Click the activate your account. Okay, since I told you earlier that I have already verified my account, so this verification link has already expired and I can simply go back to the homepage. But again, if you see a verification notification from chess.com, you might want to click that because that will forward you dashboard of chess.com, and then you should be able to utilize all the tools and features here in this platform. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to verify your email in chess.com. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.